What is going on, YouTube? Tom here. Please ignore the lawn work going on next to me. I was gonna do the cold start video, and then sure enough, they start doing lawn work the second I open the garage door. But anyway, today I'm on my way to yet another car show. This one is gonna be up in Wesley Chapel at the high school there, and it's going to be to benefit their auto academy class. So I'm pretty excited about that because, you know, I'm support education myself. That's something I honestly, if I hadn't been pushed to go to college, that's something I probably would have done. But, you know, this is pretty cool. So it's obviously going to benefit education. We need more mechanics in the world. And it's going to be pretty awesome. They're actually going to have a dyno there. And I know I've been talking about wanting to get this car on a dyno for a long time. And I know I still have yet to do that. But I'm looking at it. So that's something that's going to be exciting, getting this car dynoed finally. Hopefully not everyone gets too mad that a stock Mustang is getting on the dyno solely for YouTube content. But, oh well. I'm going to see you all when I get there. Alright. Y'all can hear that dyno going in the background. So I made it up here. We got, turn around here so y'all can see all the cars here. Pretty good turnout here. Talking to a few friends around. Ran into at least one subscriber today. Hopefully I'll run into more. So that's pretty awesome. The subscriber, pretty cool guy. He's actually a student at the school. He's a senior at the Auto Academy, so that's actually pretty awesome. But I'm about to get started walking around. Not the biggest show in the world, but it is a really good turnout. A lot of very nice cars here. can hear me. As you see, there's a white Mustang GT on the dyno back there. All else fails, we'll use this as sort of the baseline. This is a Gen 2 Coyote versus my Gen 3 Coyote. We'll see what this car makes. See if the power, just sort of experiment. Like I said, may or may not even get to my car today, just due to the fact that the dyno list is so long. But hopefully we'll get to mine, but in the meantime, enjoy this one. Alright, so as I have been informed, this Mustang is effectively full bolt-on. It's got catless long tubes, intake, 93 tune. So our prediction is, what do we say, 430?
430 and 400 torque, I think.
I don't know, I'm kind of confident in the Coyote platform. I'm going to say 450. Oh. But I'm confident. So I'm like, I don't know, I guess I'm the Coyote fanboy, so we'll see. How much did it make, by the way?
409.
409, how much torque?
387.
387, okay, because I got a stock 18 that's going on soon.
It'll most likely beat this.
It'll probably, I imagine about the same. Mine's a manual, this being an auto.
Your numbers should definitely be higher than mine. Stock 18 is really good.
True. And I got the Instagram right there.
Yes, sir.
Hey, man.
Thank you.
I was saying if my car doesn't make it, this is going to be the baseline. This is another S550.
Yeah, but I'm tuned and stuff. You'll make good numbers.
I'll probably make around the same, I imagine. So there we go. 409 for a bolt-on 18. Let me get out of this guy's way. So I'm about to move my car over because I did get confirmation. I am going to be going on the dyno today. Approximately 30 minutes, so hopefully I'll see you all then. Alright, car's in inspection booth right now, getting all the inspections done. Trying to stay out of the way too much here. Of course, filling up tires with air, checking the oil, spark plugs, everything, make sure it's good. Everything should be good to go here. Basically, it's a little dirty. Can't help that. That shouldn't affect horsepower, though. Alright, so we'll do this. Let me know in the comment section below what you all think this car is going to make, and let's see who's the closest without going over. Closest without going over gets a shout out. Big shout out to these guys.
Hey, what's up, man?
Shout out to the team over here. It's all for education at this point. So, big shout out to, what's your name?
Killian.
Killian?
Blake.
Blake?
Awesome.
Big shout out to these guys. Helping this car get on the dyno. Things I do for content.
Yep. Wesley Chapel High School Automotive Academy.
Alright, as you can see, it's getting strapped down right now. When it goes on, I'm going to back up. I'm going to be the one filming this. So we'll see. Try to get out of their way here, and then we'll see what it makes, though, because this thing is definitely, I definitely have high hopes for this car. We got a, looks like mostly stock, I don't know how
stock it is, GT500 that's about to go on. Let's see how much it makes, because you know, I got the Coyote baseline of 464. That's a stock Gen 3 Coyote. Let's see what let's check that out, see, make sure it is stock. We got a GT500. We'll see what that makes, because that's sort of the benchmark here for Mustangs. If I can make the same power as a Shelby with bolt-ons, I'd be happy. 456. Wait a minute. Hold up, wait a minute. That should've been a lot. So a stock 5.0 makes more than a GT350. This is not clickbait, people. This is not. I'm genuinely in shock that my 5.0 makes more than that car. Maybe I won't be getting a GT350 because I can just build the 5.0 and go way higher.
456. What, you just want to rub it in my face or what?
No, I'm just saying, like, you did not go all the way to redline.
Yeah, the limiter went off.
Okay, so
but
you went all the way to the limiter.
They said it was running lean. My fuel mix is lean, so it's not tuned. It's stock. It's both stock. It does have an air raid air filter on it, but that's it.
Okay, because I was gonna say there's got to be a reason for that.
Yeah.
It's like I'm defending you. There could not be a way a Voodoo is making less than a Coyote.
Yeah, it's strange.
It's strange. That is a first. And I'm telling you, it's not clickbait. In fact, you have the dyno sheet with you?
I do.
Dude, let's get the dyno sheet. Let's prove this. Make sure we get this on camera. But okay, you know, not bad. And to be fair, this is a Shelby, so...
I love this car, so...
Which one's worth more at the end of the day? You got that. You got leather, I don't.
I just love the car. So, and I would love your car too. I had a 7-seat base GT before this.
I believe that. I love it too, and this isn't even my car. I was gonna say, if you ever want to sell it, if it ever makes too low a power for you, I'll take it off your hands for you. Do you have an Instagram, by the way?
Huh?
Do you have Instagram?
I do.
What is it?
It's Fantini Aston.
Put that on screen for everybody.
Right on.
Check out this car. I'm biased. I love race red cars.
Nice.
I feel sad.
Good talking to you, man.
Thanks.
Alright, show just ended. They gave out awards here, so I'm about to head out. 2 o'clock and I haven't even had lunch yet. Hopefully I'm not too sunburnt. I'm going to see the girlfriend tonight. But yes, I'm pretty happy with that. The fact that this car made these sorts of dyno numbers. Now, to be fair, I'm going to use the voice of reason a little bit. I think the 430 number is the most realistic for this car. Because I don't know if y'all can see it through there, there's another stock performance pack, 19 performance pack instead of 18, 10R80, and they made 420. So, I know everyone's going to try to accuse me of clickbait for that 460. No tricks. This car is stock on 93, manual, no tune. The only mod that has done is an X-pipe. And realistically, that's not going to add a massive amount of power. It might add a couple of horsepower. But I'm pretty happy with that. Even at the 430 number, even taking that, I rest my case, these motors are underrated. The fact that it made, at least in one run, it made more than a Shelby. Now, the Shelby consistently made about the same power. Of course, he came out and said, you know, by the way, that's what a Shelby should make. That means the dyno is properly calibrated. There was one other Mustang that made 800 torque, NA, so it's not a real run. They said, yeah, that's a problem, run it again. Now, these are kids learning how to use a dyno, by the way. But big shout out to the Wesley Chapel High School Automotive Academy. If you're in Pasco County, Florida, I'm going to leave a link in to their Facebook group. Really awesome program. You know, they learn a lot. They enjoy it. They are so passionate. I've met some of those kids before at the car shows I go to. So it was all pretty awesome. seeing their passion, seeing what they want to do with it. So, really awesome program. Big thank you to the instructors as well. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below what you think about all that. Nice little car show here. Nice, good turnout. Not the greatest turnout in the world. Still pretty good. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below which car is your favorite, because I do definitely like hearing that every time someone has a favorite. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Anyway, take care. Have a good day.